Snow angel?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Gotta make a snow angel.
Go ahead. You gotta put your arms higher. Put your arms higher. Good job.
That's no snow. Okay. Ah. Okay. Come on, let's play snowball fight. Come on.
Look at all the snow in the street, Lorenzo. Look over here.
Come on.
You see that?
Go.
Throw the snow over there. Throw it over there on that side. Look at the car. You can't even see the car. No, you can't hardly see the car. Look. Look at the street. The whole street is like
Come on,
covered.
I got snowball. Come on.
Throw it that way. This is crazy. This is the street. It's like a mountain of snow in the middle of the street. You can't even drive on this. They can't.
Ice.
No, no, no. Don't throw it at mommy.
Okay.